Okay, honey. What you got?
Well, I got a small head of cauliflower I'm harvesting. These are all the tomatoes and cherry tomatoes I just harvested. Use that cauliflower for a salad. Like our mini bells are all changing color. That's good. It's been so hot out here. Every time I fill the troughs, it just dries them right back up again.
We gotta water, you gotta wait till it's shaded.
I gotta wait till the temperature goes down a little bit before I water them. I don't want to kill the plants.
Wow, we did good, huh?
That's quite a harvest just for this is probably our fourth tomato harvest.
Oh yeah,
And there's still a lot of tomatoes over there.
absolutely.
I definitely would do the tomatoes in the bucket again. I never have a problem with them each year. Cherry tomatoes, this is a good abundance, even though all I bought was 4 cherry tomatoes.
So what are we doing now?
We're gonna head back to the house where it's cooler.
Yes, it is super hot.
It's almost 5 o'clock and it's still, I'd say almost 90 degrees out here.
In the house it was like 104, not in the
No,
house, but
that was that temperature gauge thing. That's out here in the
oh, is it in
on
the
top of
brooder?
the quail.
Okay.
I need to get it out of there. The sun's made it look like it's that hot.
Well, we knew it wasn't 104 in the house, but the sun must have been shining on it. And in upstate New York, you wouldn't get that.
You're lucky you get to 90.
Okay, guys, just a little quick video to show what we got, and
I've been eating tomatoes left and right.
oh yeah,
I love tomatoes.
they're good.
And the peppers have been doing really good.
We can check on our dinner too.
Yeah, we've been... I put a pork tenderloin in this morning.
I'm gonna walk around this way, guys. We don't let any trap in. No trips. Okay. Here, I'll give you the camera.
Okay.
Here's the camera while I go get some spoons.
Just give me a big spoon, or a medium spoon, or whatever.
Okay, you gotta turn around.
I will.